Stop doing squats like this. You are wasting your results. Squats are the king of all leg exercises. They hit your thighs, glutes, and core all at once. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and keep your body relaxed. Balance your weight evenly on both feet. Extend your arms straight forward to maintain balance. Keep them parallel to the floor for stability. Tighten your core and lift your chest up. Keep your spine neutral and strong. Push your hips back and start bending your knees. Lower your body slowly with control. Keep your knees in line with your toes. Avoid letting them collapse inward. Lower down until your thighs are parallel, or as low as you can safely go. Maintain balance and control throughout. Push through your heels to return to standing. Rise up strong and keep your posture upright.
Extend your arms for balance, engage your core. Lower down slowly, keep your knees aligned, push through your heels to stand tall.
Squats are more than just a leg exercise. They're a powerful movement that supports your whole body. As you perform them regularly, your heart gets stronger and blood circulation improves, helping reduce the risk of high blood pressure. At the same time, your brain releases feel-good hormones that lift your mood, reduce stress, and sharpen your focus. Your bones and joints become stronger, protecting you from injuries and conditions like osteoporosis. Squats also boost your metabolism, helping your body manage blood sugar better and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Your core stays active, supporting better digestion and reducing discomfort. As your muscles grow stronger, your body produces beneficial hormones that enhance strength and energy. In the end, a simple squat becomes a complete exercise for your heart, mind, and overall health. Enjoyed this tip? Hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more powerful health and fitness insights. Your daily habits can change everything. Start today.